Okay, start recording. Okay. Hi, we are the Cyber Guardians, and we are going to do a case study on Lenovo Superfish hardware, which is on the man in the middle attack vector. So basically, this was Superfish image was actually a software that was pre-installed on Lenovo laptops back in 2015. The issue with that software was it was able to intercept HTTP requests using trusted root certificates. So it had that caused the man in the middle attack. But the real danger was that some cyber attackers could very easily create their own certificates and do this interception, which could lead to spoofing of bank details, email, I mean, whichever the users are trying to access, whichever websites they could very easily do that. So, however, by the end of 2015, the Lenovo has discontinued this pre-installing of Superfish software on their laptops. So this is the summary. I'll hand over to UG for the next section.
Okay, coming to the as-was analysis, the impact and response. Superfish is a notorious hardware and had severe repercussion on user security and privacy. Revenue's response was pivotal, involving acknowledgements and immediate or to pre-installation. Then coming to challenges and global impact, users grappled with dictating Superfish activities, and its global impact was profound. The pre-installation on Revenue PS meant users worldwide were affected, raising concern about the extent of cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Then coming to the lesson and conclusion, coming to the future security measures, looking ahead, we propose enhanced cybersecurity measures for pre-installed software. Ongoing effort will be devoted to safeguarding the user's privacy, preventing similar incidents, and shaping a secure digital future. Then in lesson and conclusion here, a reflection on this incident, we have learned the importance of robust cybersecurity practices as we navigate the pre-installed software landscapes. Ensuring user privacy and the security is paramount. Let me hand over to the next person.
Thank you, Vijay. Now we will see the solution that the lessons the client learned and their structure, how it differs from earlier. And the first one is this incident highlight the danger of pre-installed third-party software and the importance of rigorous vetting and security assessment. And for this issue, the Lenovo offers a tool to uninstall the software and delete associated certificates, but just uninstalling won't remove certificates. Microsoft has instructions on managing certificates in the Windows Store to ensure thorough removal. And the next, the absence of user awareness and consent regarding supervision raise the transparency concerns. So now they talk the users more clearly about the pre-installed software, and also the users can choose what gets installed and why during the setup they can uninstall or install what they want. And the next, the SSL decryption resulting in the interception of HTTPS traffic that has sparked major security concerns. So after this incident, they have changed it and they have now they have a stricter rules against decrypting or inspecting encrypted traffic in the software to keep this user data safe. Next, Darshan, I will continue with the SWOT analysis.
Thank you, Basil. So, can I please go to, yeah, thank you. The types of MITM attacks slide, please. Yeah, before we see the strengths and weaknesses, here we like to present about the various types of MITM attacks, from IP spoofing, DNS spoofing, HTTP spoofing, SSL hijacking, email hijacking, Wi-Fi eavesdropping, session hijacking, and cache poisoning. Our attack here is a combination of HTTP spoofing and SSL hijacking, because the Superfish adware produced certificate CA certificates, which the hackers can potentially use to intercept the user's information traversing across. So these are the types of MITM attacks. We totally have 8 of them. Going to the SWOT analysis of the Lenovo. The first, speaking of the strength, Lenovo is having a global presence, so they can address to their issue more easily, and they had the power to sort it out immediately. And they did give a responsive action about, uh, giving out procedures on how to uninstall the adware and how to make it less uh, the adware less responsive. And coming to the weakness, it was basically their security oversight. They did not test the adware, they did not assess how it operates, and that was their weakness, I would say. An impact on caused a deep impact on the reputation over the competitors as well as customers. Opportunities, we can see they can improve their security measures, like in order to they can take steps to encrypt the data being sent across, and also they can improve their communication with their customers, like what is installed and how it operates, and what license what how they are well licensed, or how the apps pre-installed in the laptops function and everything. And talking about the threats, they faced it led to a lot of legal consequences. It brought them a competitive disadvantage, and even though the issue was sorted and Lenovo gave the solution to the problem, it gave them security concerns. It raised security concerns among the competitors as well as the clients. Next, we will be seeing the recommendations. The recommendations to this problem is to console the users that they should be communicated clearly about the security issues. And Lenovo needs to bring about clear adware policies, like what permissions the adware has got within the organization, and implement network level adware blocking. Can also help reduce the damage. Next slide, please. So how further we can prevent MITM attacks? We can implement IDS, we can ensure usage of strong Wi-Fi protocols such as VPA2 and VPA3, and prevent the usage of public Wi-Fis. Even though you're using Wi-Fis, use VPN connections, and educate the users of the VPN connection, and reduce the usage of just the HTTP websites. Always give importance to patch management and to remediate the vulnerabilities in the system.
So,
I think that is all we've got. Thank you.
stop the recording. 9.5 minutes.